I did not tell you to move. I just told you to stand behind your chair. So I just got a mighty groan point for us not listening. So give me a mighty groan. Now everybody should be ready to move, except I'm waiting on Khalil. 3, 2, Khalil, and 1. Now tiptoe to the carpet. Let's use Spanish counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, you need to be here. Everybody was counting, so give me an oh yeah. Oh yeah. But I do get a mighty groan because not everybody made it by the time we got to 10. So give me a mighty groan. Awesome. Boys and girls, today in reading, we are looking at, remember, using information gained from illustrations to help understand the characters, the setting, and the plot. Miss Schilling, I have no idea what that means, so let me help you out. Remember, in the standard, it talks about looking at illustrations. Illustrations are a picture in the text, Logan, or in the story. Mirrors on. Illustrations. Is a picture. In the story or text. Illustrations. A picture. Mirrors off. Turn to your partner and tell your partner with the same gestures, what is an illustration? Teach. Okay. Illustration. As a picture in a story or a text. Illustrations is a picture. Class. Yes. Ooh, awesome job. Everybody was using gestures. Everybody turned around when I said class. Give me an oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. So when I see that word illustrations, I know they just mean class A. Picture. Great. Well, also in my standard, it's telling me to look at characters. Well, I know what a character is. A character is the person in the story that the story is about. So, but I do know that we might not know what setting is. So my setting is one of my vocabulary words. Setting is when and where a story takes place. Mirrors on. Setting. When. Where. A story takes place. Setting. When. And where. A story takes place. Mirrors off. Turn to your partner and tell your partner what a setting is. Oh, wait. Let's come back. Remember, you are ready for that teach. So, let's try that again. Ready? Teach. Okay. Remember not to turn, you're just freezing, so give me a oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, remember you're going to tell your partner what are some examples of setting. You're going to think about the time of day, you're going to think about what the weather or whether you're inside or outside, or maybe if you're at a specific place like a restaurant or a school, or a specific place in the school like Miss Maggie's class or our classroom or the cafeteria. So give your partner one example where a story could take place, the setting. All set? You bet. The story takes place we were being a clear communicator because we were speaking in complete sentences. So give me an oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some of us, though, I think we got off task and we were not doing the right thing. And after we finished talking about our sentence of setting, so give me a mighty groan. Okay, remember next time, repeat like I heard Dustin say that until I call the whole class. Raise your hand with capital letters. in marks if you can tell me what would be an example of a setting. Aubrey.
A story can take place in the jungle.
Ooh, thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Awesome. Give her a 10-finger woo. Okay, give me another example, Savannah.
A story could take place in a lunch break.
Awesome. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you agree or disagree. Give her a 10-finger woo. Okay, so we would have to read the story to find out or look at the pictures. Well, there's one more word that's in that standard. The word that's in that standard is plot. Remember, plots are events that make up the story. It's what happens in the story. What happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Mirrors on. Plots are the events that happen in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Events that happen in the beginning, middle, and end. Mirrors off. You will turn to your partner. You will tell your partner what plot is and how it happens in the beginning, middle, and end. Teach. In the beginning, the middle, and the end of my story. Awesome job, boys and girls, doing that with your gestures. Give me an oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So today we're going to be reading and answering a story, and we're always going to be class. We're going to be and okay, so remember our skill this week that we're really working on is being a thinker. I'm looking for all of those things to give you your oh yeah points. So remember to think about people's feelings, talking clear and complete sentences. What is our theme this 6 weeks? Look at the board. Put it in your bubble. Blow it. Hold. Release.
Who we are.
Very good catching yourself, Amari. It is who we are. So one of our key concepts is put it in your bubble. Blow it. Release.
Connection.
So when we read a story, though, we have to make connections to help us understand the story. So you're going to make connections to your own life experiences to help you understand that story. So when you're looking in that picture is going to help you make a connection to maybe something that you're feeling. So why, Miss Schilling? Why do we have to learn this? Remember yesterday we talked about how it helps us become better readers, and a couple of you told me that your dream is to be a teacher. So we want to make sure that we're able to understand the story, and doing that is looking at the illustrations. Illustrations is another word for class. Picture. I see some of us not paying attention. Give me a mighty groan. So I need you to sit. Jakayla, you're going to mark number 15. You're out of your assigned area. Please come back and sit, please. Okay, boys and girls, we are predicting. The title of my story is called A Fast Learner. This is your sentence starter. I think the story will be about because. Turn to your partner. The title of your story is called Fast Learner. So we're just going to make a prediction off of the title. You're turning to your partner. Let's tell our partner what our sentence starters will be. Ready?
I think the story will be about
because. Don't forget that end mark. A lot of you are forgetting it. So the title again is called Fast Learner. Give me a thumbs up when you have that idea in your head of what you think the story will be about if the title is called Fast Learner. Thumbs up at your chest. Remember, lets me know that you're ready to share with your partner. Some of us are still thinking, so we're going to give them a few more minutes to think. like we're ready. All set?
You bet.
I think the story will be about a little so give me an oh yeah.
Okay.
But I did hear a few of us too loud. We were at voice level 3. We need to be at voice level 1. Raise your hand if you can tell me why that's important. But first, give me your mighty ground. Why is it important to be at voice level 1? Rachel?
It's important to be at voice level 1 because if some people have forgot their idea and they're trying to think what it was again, they need time to think for a sec.
So if we're really, really loud, are we being caring? No, we're not allowing them to think. A couple of us, boys and girls, are not able to hear our partner tell their story, or excuse me, their sentence, if we are so loud next to them. Like I was sitting right by Kayana and I couldn't hear her because it was too loud around us. So remember, boys and girls, that we are going to use voice level 1. Voice level 1 is a whisper, which means only your partner should be there. Crisscross applesauce. Okay, so now I actually told you class, but I meant to have you freeze. I mean macaroni and cheese. So what I'm we're going to look now and revise our prediction by looking at the picture. So a couple of you told me that the prediction was going to be about a little boy or a little girl learning how to read fast because it said fast learner. But now when I look at this picture, I'm trying to get it up here so best you can. There it is. So look very carefully at the picture. Revise your thinking now that you have a little bit more detail from about the story, because we're going to look at this picture. We're using that illustration to help us with our understanding of characters, setting, and plot. So you should have an idea now of who our character is going to be about. Is our character going to be about a boy and a girl?
No.
Okay, so Stephen has an idea that he's going to change his prediction. I said crisscross applesauce. Thumbs up when you have a better idea of your prediction. I think the story will be about looking carefully at it. Kiana, I don't have a thumbs up. Kaya, I don't have a thumbs up. Amari, it looks to me like you're not ready, or Broderick. Okay. Oh, yours is still going to fit? Okay. Turn to your neighbor. Let's do our sentence starter again one more time in a whisper voice, so we remember to speak in a whisper voice.
I think the story will be about
because. Remember, you have more in the picture to explain your evidence. All set?
I think the story will be about
Bonjour, class.
Bonjour, yes.
Raise your hand if you would like to now share your revised prediction by using evidence from the illustration to help predict. Khalil.
I think the story will be about a dog that will learn very fast.
Raise your hand if you can give him feedback. Logan.
I like your sentence. Maybe next time you should try because.
Ooh. Remember you did you tell us? I can't remember. Say it.
He was about to do it.
Oh, but you put the period. So give us some oh yeah for that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to Khalil. Now add that evidence, but don't put the period until you get to the end of the sentence.
I think the story will be about a dog that runs really fast. I know this because
Oh, I see what you did. Okay. He said, I know this because. So he would need to put a period there. I am so sorry. Say, Miss Schilling, that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, my bad, Khalil. Let's try that again.
My bad.
I think the story will be about a dog that runs very fast. I forgot.
You got it.
I know this because I see a dog that is reading a book.
Okay, thumbs up if you agree, thumbs down if you disagree. He has some pretty good evidence. He says he has a dog reading a book. So I think a dog is going to be reading fast. All right, somebody disagrees. Why do you disagree?
Because
I disagree because
the dog, it looks like the dog's trying to learn how to read. That's why he has a lot of books.
Okay, don't forget your end mark. Okay, remember, boys and girls, to use those complete sentences, capital letters and end marks. Great job. Peyton.